Boy, it's a beautiful sunny day in Florida, isn't it, B? Beautiful sunny day, yeah. We're gonna make Lake City and Planet Fitness. We'll get there, get a good workout in, and take a shower. Yes, sir. Oh boy, he's excited, can't you tell? Florida has some very nice rest areas on I-10. Just beautiful. And I think they all, the ones that I've been to anyway, will allow people to stay overnight. So that's a big plus for guys like us, right, Mr. B? We're gonna pull over on the highway. Okay, jump down, settle in. Follow us on the road to Orlando for HamCation.